today we're driving to go to my friend's house where we're going to be cutting the trunk of my G37 coupe that I had just recently bought. You guys might be asking, fuck, why G37? Why the fuck are you cutting your trunk? That's janky. Oh, you're ghetto. Oh, that's ugly. Why don't you just pay a body shop? You know, all the fucking dick suckers that say that gay shit. Because my car has hit the canyon inside of mountains and tire walls and fucking Vegas drift walls, that this the fucking back end of my car is like ruffles, bro. I'm gonna show you guys that, and you guys kind of see. So basically my idea is I'm gonna cut the bottom part where the tire well is, the two edges, the edges where the evap shit is in the back, and the other edge wherever the fucking radio is. So I'm gonna cut that out, and I'm gonna cut the back part right underneath the taillights, right where the harness runs across. So I can push the corners by hand out because they're pushed in 3 inches on both sides. And with that, oh my bad, I thought that was the police. So with that, I'm gonna be able to line up my bumper again. And I'm sick of tired of not having a fucking bumper. So today I did get a bumper, G37 coupe rear bumper with the spats. So that's cool. I got it for 50 bucks. And then I got a Nismo shift ball. Can't see it. That's also what I got. And then I got a side skirt. I'm gonna spray paint both black because fucking who cares. But I think honestly, if I keep this car, I think I'm gonna get a roll of wrap, and I think I'm gonna actually wrap it and make it nice, you know. But right now I just want it all one color, which is black. So that'll do for now. But yeah, turning around, fucking driving 17 miles per gallon. But yeah, I'll catch y'all. Here we got this side quarter panel, not too bad, but then you see us pushed in crazy. Oh Chad. And then we got this doesn't really matter. We got whatever this is. So we're gonna cut all this off, and then cut some of this off, and then cut across here, all that off, and then cut this off, all this off, and then I gotta relocate this amp, which is gonna be a problem a little bit. Let me show you guys. So nice. We gotta fit this somewhere. The question is where. We don't know where yet. And my plan is honestly to take it out of these brackets. So like take these 10 mils out, those 10 mils out, flip it upside down, take this out, and then just actually like mount just the module itself and ditch these brackets entirely. This side, I definitely have to cut all of this out. All this shit gotta go. All this bullshit needs to get unplugged. Yeah. Oh my god. Change of plans. My other friend loafed it. Bro didn't even have his grinder on him. Bro had his grinder somewhere else. And his Sawzall. And my dad is using his grinder and Sawzall on something else. So I don't know. I'm gonna think of something and I'll get back. Shout out my boy Richard. My boy Richard has a Sawzall and a grinder with blades. Now you guys are probably asking, Geo-driven, you fucking Jew. Oh shit, it's a police cop. I lied, it's not. Okay, we're good. Jew-driven. Why are you Jewing them for their blades and their Sawzall and their grinder? Why don't you get it yourself, you fucking unemployed loser? No cap. Not trying to spend a bag on that right now, so that's the reason why. And I have one, just Papa Driven's using it, and I'm not trying to blame Papa Driven because he's been using my impact and my shit. Anyways, shout out the boy Richard. Sawzall, grinder, blades, and a dream. Oh yeah, we about to get janky. Well, this is all gonna be gone. Peep the damage. Oh! Oh, bro, look how far pushed in this is. You're supposed to be right here.
We're playing bumper cars.
And oh! Yo, that shit's crazy. That shit's wrinkled crazy. I think I method. Camera on this side like curved. This you think the blade's dead? I have a new one.
It's not cutting through like how it was.
I'm trying to cut in the middle.
Yeah.
Where's the cameraman right now? Hold on. Oh. It wasn't so good. Okay. Middle from up top, this one tastes good.
Speak of the devil. I said, speak of the devil.
Who is it?
Aaron.
Oh. Turn right in between them. Where's the stuff around?
Right here.
Gotta get the cut. Aaron, you sleeping? Bro, we did it with one.
Actually?
Yeah.
Oh my.
Really
I
low.
whole G37 method.
Where's the bumper at?
At my house, right?
Yeah.
Wanna go grab it?
Yeah.
Please, Daddy. Hold on. The black 2 lines.
Oh yeah, I see.
I'm not hitting it, right?
No, you're fine.
No, I think it's bolted on.
Which one? Cut it. It's the thing.
Bolted on is black thing now.
Stripping the bolt now?
Okay, so that's how your BMW was built.
Can you turn the back wheel?
What do you want me to do?
Turn the back wheel.
Yeah, I guess. I guess we could do that.
Is it stubby?
Yeah.
No.
Small one?
Oh. Yeah.
Now we gotta loosen this other part.
What's this?
What are you held on
Oh,
by?
why is there charcoal canister?
Oh, we need that, we need that.
We need that.
Wait, where'd that thing go? Just now.
Alright, insert your bumper.
No, wait, I think the bolts are right there. Where'd that thing go? No, this one, right?
It's a 12, it's a 12.
This?
We can find that out.
Right there. Yep.
Wait, this is not trim.
No, it's not. Alright, insert your bumper.
I think we should self-tap for this to the frame, no?
It'll be alright.
It'll be alright. One bolt's good enough. Alright.
Just the bumpers on our house, right?
Mm-hmm.
I'll return with the sleeping knife.
A grinder and a dream.
Yeah.
This shit weighs so much. The sound doesn't. She's mitt.
Man.
Yeah, it's mint, bro. Can be able to make your car from salvage title to a built title with a grinder.
Hey, bumpers here.
You should have told me to grab self-tappers.
What do you sell that?
For the amp.
We do actually need that. Sleeper's build is full of self-tappers. We'll be alright.
You mean Rich off ends?
No.
Zip ties and self-tappers.
Type.
Your exhaust is being Jewish.
I know that.
No, the exhaust isn't gonna let us do it. So just break it off.
Here, cool. Okay, so that's cooked right there.
Cut that off.
And then,
Cut that off.
dent out?
What then?
Did it come out right here?
Oh.
Somebody's trolling.
I'm sitting in the skirt at this point. Oh shit. Oh my god.
Look at the whole trunk. Show the whole trunk when it does that. Everything moves.
How's it looking?
Well, it actually fits way
That's
better.
Huh?
That fits way better.
Hold that.
Okay.
Go to the other side. What are you working with?
Alright, I see.
Right here needs to come out.
We're gonna have to go crazy on this side.
Look, right here needs to come out a bit more though. You don't know?
Alright. Ain't nothing a hammer can't fix?
More.
Alright. Aaron, it might be your turn.
How much farther out does it go?
Like 2 inches.
This part?
Where's the 10mm at? This might never come on again. Any light right here, Pops? Is there any light in here? I don't know.
There it is.
That's one way to figure it out. Fucking, we can tape it from inside. I mean, zip tie it from inside.
That, no?
I got an idea.
You're gonna bang the trunk out? Wait, that actually might have worked.
He's a body man.
Okay.
Stop tapping him.
You should have MC.
Oh shit.
Look around. Look around.
Are you ready?
Nice. Pull it up.
Let me see. Watch out for your finger. It might be long lived. Oh, let me see.
Give me that.
Jeez.
Alright, if you drop it, you're gay. Alright.
Ooh. That's at the edge gang.
Oh my. You just became gay. Alright, you good?
Needs like one more.
One more right there in the middle with all the other holes.
We didn't peep the hole though. Or pull it up.
Needs to go up, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
We're trolling by putting it like in the same spot. We need to pull it that way.
No.
Don't do that. Don't do that.
It's gonna crash out.
You're gonna make it salvage title.
I already got enough holes in the corner.
Chill.
Chill.
Now let's see if the headlights fit after beating them in.
Yep.
No way they still fit.
Why wouldn't it? Oh.
Nice, bro.
We need a self-tapper right here.
Yep, looking like AK car now. After trolling.
I know.
Oh, let's
You gotta
push.
stuff it first, too.
And like move it a little bit farther out in the street so we don't get oversprayed in his car.
I know.
Tap shit.
Like,
This one goes in.
Hold on, let me get in here.
Yeah.
What are you doing? Oh, we're getting Big Daddy. All right, hold it up. All right, there's Nick. Okay.
Nice.
Mint.
is there a hole down here?
No.
There it is. All right, let's do it. Fuck it.
Alright, now angle grinder. Because I actually might cook your tire, no?
No.
What?
That might cook your tire, no?
Nope.
Sure?
Where the hydro line is? Those are here.
No, the bottom one. Here, let me load the car. We'll see.
Hold on. His knee.
Nah, we can cut the end of that.
Oh, actually,
What?
it shouldn't rub at all.
Go?
It's not long enough to rub.
You're not taking the.
You're such a takeover kid.
Yeah. He blew an axe already.
Oh yeah.
Go a little more on that side. Alright, you get pops. The truck closes better. Look. Open the trunk.
Say that again.
How can you say I'm not a body man? That's not really saying it, bro. Look at the gaps. Hold on, I'm gonna hold it up. Ready? Press it.
Wait, slam it all the way to make sure it closes.
Already.
Yes?
What you mean? He's a body man.
It doesn't close all the way yet, but we'll handle that soon. Okay. Well, if we put it on now, like all the way. Good bucket.
That's your old car?
No, it's a larger car.
Well, his car. I mean, his car is also clapped now.
Yeah, but we're gonna make it mint with all your parts.
No, I'm talking about your old car.
Oh yeah. It just like
It's booked.
it doesn't even look that clapped. It's just owners clapped it.
What is this even for? Thank you, Daddy. It's at least the good side. The other side I can just rub off the
You have a window cleaner?
Yeah.
You're gonna need that.
What happened?
We need window cleaner. Huh?
Don't we have that?
Yeah, he said he has some.
Yes. Oh my god, you gave me the Jewish tape ever. This is the tape that you gave me.
You scratch right. You scratch right.
Okay.
Did you leave your bag out in the car?
Actually, don't even tape it.
What? You're gonna get a
Keep forgetting. Oh my god, that's mint. What the fuck? Bro, how can you say we're not body men without saying it? What the hell? Bro, we're literally the jank boys. Alright, that's good.
It's not.
Oh, it's mint right there.
back to OE.
Oh, yeah. It's like nothing ever happened. See,
Alright.
so you're gonna break the edge. Remember, you're gonna have to.
The tip's
Oh,
about to
yeah.
fall off.
I forgot about that.
Okay. So, update. This side's mint. We got cut trunk, relocated amp, and whatever that is. We got all the gas thing, taillights lined up. We got this side lined up. And my boy's going crazy with the spray paint. Stop fucking playing, bro. We the real spray paint boys. You guys have never done that. And then we got the bent single exit. Oh yeah. Properly fixed creepy that. Oh, what can I say? It went away. Wait, you didn't cover it, dude. Dude. Oh, there we go. Now it's mint. Looks good enough on TikTok. All right, that's good. That's good. Don't blend it in like that. You're gonna start noticing. Okay. Come on, hurry up. I need a LARP. I need a LARP like I'm really trim. Damn. Why does this shit actually look good? Compared to the last one, first. Okay. Bro, it needs to get slammed in the front, bro. The front looks ugly. Now that the back has like a good tire on it. What is going on, guys? Geo Driven here. And today we got my G37 coupe. Only things we've changed is coilovers and wheels. And then, see here, we trying to unclap the rear end after clapping it. Type shit. But yeah, we're still on GK Tech Mini, GK Tech Hydro. And we're gonna put it through the Geo Driven durability test right now. Again. But hell yeah, I'll catch y'all.